meditation doesn't have to be difficult. You just have to understand that there is more than one way to meditate. And you absolutely do not have to go to expensive retreat to learn meditation. You can start right now. Simply take a deep breath, withdraw your attention inwards, and involve your imagination. Travel to your favorite spot, perhaps your vacation spot, a place of your childhood, or some imaginary place. Allow your mind, your imagination to take you there. Create the surroundings, notice the temperature of the air, breathe in that air and smell it. Check with your body, what does it feel like to be there? Allow your imagination to take you to a beautiful place, away from all your daily troubles, problems, pains. And as you allow your mind to escape difficult, not so friendly environment, your mind and then body may start to relax. And as your body relaxes, it may start recharging and healing itself. Another way to meditate is emptying your mind, slowing it down, reaching the place where you're not actively creating any thoughts. That one probably is the most difficult for the modern mind. We are so overwhelmed with information all the time. There's so much happening at any given moment. And it's probably the hardest practice for brain to slow down. It will take some discipline and practice, but you can start right now. You can start with 1 minute and then gradually extend it. And very soon you'll start craving that quietness, emptiness, pure bliss. Find a comfortable position, lie down or sit down, close your eyes, withdraw your attention inward, start taking deeper and slower breaths, and allow your mind to slow down. Of course, there will be thoughts coming in. What about this electric bill that now is twice as higher? Don't fight those thoughts. Accept them and let them go. Yes, I am aware of it, and I will take care of it. That's okay. And let this thought float away. What about those pesky neighbors? That's okay. At this given moment, they're not bothering me. With everything else, I can deal later. And let that thought float away. And with a little practice, you'll be able to reach that place of pure bliss, quietness, tranquility, serenity. This is when you become a perfect vessel, a channel. This is when you can reconnect with your higher self, with higher entities, with gods. This is when you can channel, receive information. Yes, it's not the easiest way to meditate, but with practice, patience, and self-discipline, you'll be able to handle it. And one more way to meditate is to actually create something. One of the most pleasant way of meditating, and it is productive. Find a comfortable position, sitting down or lying down. Withdraw your focus inside, close your eyes, take a few slow breaths, quiet down your mind, and start imagining, creating little scenarios like short movies of what you want to happen. Start with something simple, something very probable. Imagine the next day, how wonderfully and smooth it will go, how productive you will be, how positive your interactions will be with other people. And once you see the results, you can start working on more complex, bigger, more important goals. And that's how you become a magician.